Yeah, hi Chris, great to meet you. Tell me how your experience then about using our equipment.
Um, well, it's all positive compared to the one I had. You know, before the one I had, they didn't connect it properly. This one got connected, set up professionally, and we've just gone from strength to strength. We put on two batteries with the 8.5 kilowatt inverter, the Sunsynk inverter, and it's educated us as well, because the way the inverters dials are, you can tell what you're actually producing, you can tell what your house is using, and you can tell what you're putting into the battery or taking out of the battery, and you can tell what you're putting into the grid or taking out of the grid.
Yeah, fantastic. And have
So,
you saved much money?
um, well, I've done. This is my fifth bill, which is about 320 or 30 days, and I don't think we've gone much over $50 just in the power supply, power usage.
Yeah, wow.
But
And that's
but
it.
if we on today's rates, this bill, same time last year, we used about 822 units, I think it was, and at 30 odd cents, plus GST, you're looking at, I don't know, whatever that works out to be, so and our bill today was $17.81 compared to about 300. Eh?
Wow, that's a huge difference. 1781 as opposed to 300. So
Oh, 300 odd, yeah.
wow, so brilliant. So the SunSync system is really working well for you. It's brilliant.
Oh, once you get your head around it, it teaches you. You can work out what your kettle uses, because you can go out to the inverter and say turn the kettle on, and it goes up and it goes to 258 or something.
Yeah, it's
I
brilliant.
can work out what my bore's using. It's compared to the other one, it's just chalk and cheese.
Oh, we've just got to try and educate more people in Australia about our system and why it's better than everybody else's. Because a lot of people are not realising using our kit and they don't understand the differences. But you've obviously had the experience. It's really brilliant. Thank you for your comments. I really appreciate it. So,
Oh no, it's great, because as I said, the Sunsync, and I learned something even. I think it was yesterday or the day before, because the batteries were 100% full, and we had a nice sunny day, and it was only 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and we were only producing 1.7 or 1.8, and so I thought, righto, I'll go and turn the bore on, my pump and my bore, and then next minute when I come back over, we're producing 4.58
yeah.
because the inverter kicks it. If you're not using it, well, it slows down.
Yeah.
If you put the load on it, with you got 100% battery, then it kicks in again.
Yeah, no, you're absolutely correct. Some people don't even realise that. They say, oh, it's not working. The battery's full and they're not pulling any energy. And of course,
Yeah,
the unit reduces it. In engineering, so we say attenuates it. But yeah, no, it's absolutely perfect. That's exactly how it's supposed to operate.
yeah. Well, if I've got a submersible bore that I put on. Also, we used to have a wetback in our fire, but now we just use the element in the solar heart, and if we're 100% full and we want to top the hot water up, we just flick the element on, heats it up, and as soon as the element gets hot, it cuts out, and you're doing it all with the sun.
Yeah, fantastic. So where about in the country are you?
I'm in between Busselton and Dunsborough, so today we've got a full. Well, we haven't seen the sun, and I think we've still got. I think we've still got about 90%. Batteries are still 90% full.
Wow. So Gary's saying you got 20 kilowatt of batteries, so it's working really well for you.
Yeah. Well, what happens? It usually, if you get a few cloudy days in a row, it usually drops down a bit. But because yesterday was full on sun, we had, as I said to you, 100% by about 2:30, and we get. Now we've changed our living style because we get everything done on sunny days. We do all our washing. And in summertime, Jesus, it's just not what we're doing. We're exporting, we're exporting, sometimes 15, 20 kilowatts hours to the grid,
So have you used the app much? The Sunsynk
Sorry?
Connect. Do you use the Sunsynk Connect app?
No.
Oh, you got to get onto the app because the app will tell you everything also. So if you got an internet, and you can plug it on, you can sit on your phone or you can laptop or whatever. But on the phone, It's really good. So you've got full control. Everything comes up on your phone.
Yeah. Well, in summertime, we've got because I'm on 25 acres and we're not connected to town water or anything like that. Every time we go to the toilet, every time we turn a tap on, if I want to do reticulation and pump the bore, we use power.
Yeah.
And in summertime, I can pump the bore 9 times a day. We can have the air cons in the house just to cool the house down. We still end up with 100%. We've got hot water. It's and we're still exporting heaps to the grid.
Fantastic. Anyway, listen, it's brilliant talking to you. It's superb. And I'm glad it's working really well. So thank you for sharing it with me. I really appreciate it.
Oh, not a problem.
All right. Cheers. Thank you. Thanks a
No
lot.
worries.
Take care. Cheers. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
See you, mate.
Bye. Well, that was